It's about finding what speaks to you, who you are to the core, baby. The backpacks.
Where are you? Where are you?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Sheikah, and today you guys, we're going to be putting together some outfits for my closet. This video is really geared towards trying to find your personal style. I'm getting ready to turn 39 this year, you guys, so I'm really not a hot girl anymore, but I'm not older. So I'm like somewhere in between that awkward age where he's like, I want to be more put together. I want to also be more modest. I'm really past like the hot girl era. So I'm gonna be shopping my closet today. I put together a couple of outfits for you guys so we can kind of try on together. I'm really trying to really curate my castle wardrobe, things I really like, but still things that kind of speak to who I am to the core. And I just really want my wardrobe to be more fun, mature, a little bit of modest. I don't like to show a lot of skin, but I also want it to be fun and youthful as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, you guys. I have put together 6 outfits, well actually 5 outfits, including what I have on today, to kind of show you guys how I'm trying to kind of navigate turning a little bit older, not a hot girl anymore, but I really want to kind of be still fun and flirty. So that's what the video is about today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel. We're on our way to our next milestone, which is 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I love you so much. And let's get right to the video, you guys. Alright, you guys, so the first outfit I put together, you guys, is this really cute, let me come up so you guys can see, this really cute sweatshirt. And it really has this cute detailing in the back, you guys. So cute. It's like a Ducks Unlimited shirt, sweatshirt, super cute. I paired it with a pair of like old jeans that I already had in the closet. Some that are really flattering to the backside, and then I paired it with a pair of really fun boots, so you guys can kind of see. This is the core of the outfit. You kind of style up a little bit. I put some bangles on and then just some little state rings. Don't look at my nails, y'all. I haven't done my nails this week. So yeah, I have my little bangles and then just some state rings. And I'm gonna pair just to kind of elevate it a little bit. I just kind of slicked my hair back. I'm in the middle of wash day. So super cute, but I'm gonna pair it to make it kind of a little bit more elevated. Probably gonna go with maybe my Brandon Blackwood, because I already have the red lip. I think that'll be a better option. So yeah, I'll pair it with my Brandon Blackwood, like my large tote. And yeah, I would definitely wear this to lunch. If I wanted to run some errands, came from Amazon. This sweatshirt came from the Goodwill. Jeans I already had in the closet. I would pair it with this little Brandon Blackwood, my large tote. And I would totally wear this out for like lunch, running errands. And if I wanted to, like instead of having to carry it, I would take my little strap, put my strap on. If I wanted to wear a crossbody, I would just put my little strap on, and it just really kind of plays into a little bit of color in the back. I got my red lip, just a slick back, super casual. Y'all, this is the outfit. Love it. This is totally my style. Comfort, cute, still like, runaway chic. I love it, but still not too beautiful where it looks like, girl, you need to dress for your age. So I love this. So this is the outfit number 1, you guys. This is actually what I'm wearing today. So I'm gonna take myself for lunch. All right, so let's go to outfit number 2, y'all. Next outfit, y'all. These pants are so long. Okay, these jeans like forever. I got it from Fashion Nova. So these are the pants. It's just some white flare or bell bottom pants. I'm gonna pair it with a really basic. I'll show you guys. The heel. So this is the heel, guys. It's a pretty basic heel. Small, so it's still comfortable to walk in. Oh, I probably feel high and big because these pants are so long. This is basically the outfit, y'all. So this is a pair of white flare leg or bell bottom jeans. I had these forever. This top I came from the Future Collector collection from Target. I got this a while back. I still had the same bangles. Show y'all. Still the same bangles on. Oh, these pants are so long. I'm gonna have to put some higher heels on. So just a black half bra under it. This would definitely be something I would wear maybe like to date, like a impromptu like date night, or maybe going to grab orange or something with my husband. We want to do like a spontaneous like little date night, or just go have a drink or something. I would wear this. So yeah, this plain little lacy shirt from Future Collector from Target. These flare leg jeans. And then a basic black little small strappy heel. And then I will put my, just to keep it still casual, I would just wear my little small micro Gucci little crossbody just to kind of make it the casual way back up. So this is the outfit, y'all. Just my gold bangles. How cute is this? Super casual, cute. And if you just wanted to, you could tie the shirt up. I don't want to tie. I like the way it looks and kind of covers the bottom of my pants. Well, so cute. So this is the outfit number 2, y'all. And I really love it. This is so my style too. Like it's showing a little bit of skin, but not too much, but I'm looking like I'm inappropriate. I love this. So I will keep the same red lip and then my slick back hair. So super cute. Hey guys, so this is outfit number 3. My skirt is actually a little big, which is my go-to leather skirt. I never get rid of it. I mean, I have to take it in. But this is the base of the outfit, y'all. So it's this leather skirt. And then I'm gonna just pair it with my same little Gucci. Then I'm just gonna fold up in my arms and I put my go-to black boots. I love these boots. If you know, you know. And then this little windbreaker jacket is from Amazon. I'll link it below if it's still available. And this is the outfit, y'all. Super cute, super casual. This is totally my vibe. Like, cool girl. You know, still within my age range, but still fun, flirty. I love it. And I love green, so this is it. Outfit number 3, y'all. Super cute. Everything I already had in my closet. And I love this outfit. Alright, y'all. This is outfit number 4. So I paired it with the same leather skirt, so the bases are gonna stay the same. So same leather skirt. And this skirt is actually from TJ y'all. Same boots, but I paired it with my little Tory Burch bag. And then this top is from Zara. This is the old Zara. So super cute. And my skirt again, y'all, is big because I've lost some weight. But this is the outfit number 4, y'all. Super cute, elevated. This is so my vibe. Like, put together. I just love this. It shows a little bit of shoulder. I just love everything about this outfit. I love green. Any shade of green, I love green. But this is my outfit, y'all. Outfit number 4. Super cute. This is definitely age appropriate, I feel like. And I just have my same gold bangles on. And I just love this. And I used to be, a fun fact, I used to be really insecure about my broad shoulders when I was growing up. But now I'm like, y'all, I'm embracing the shoulders. Like, I love it. Super cute. This is totally my vibe. I love it. I would definitely wear this out. This is my name. I love the sleek hair with it. So this is outfit number 4, y'all. I love it. This is outfit number 5. I'm Urban Revival. I can now fit it, y'all. How the back of it looks. So good, right? So top from Urban Revival. Same leather skirt from TJ Maxx. My little Gucci micro bag. And this is the outfit, y'all. So outfit number 5. Super cute. This is totally my body, y'all. Sitting up. Skirt's still too big, y'all, but y'all already know it already. And this is the outfit. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me start come down some more so you guys can see. This is the outfit. Love it. Jessica Simpson boots. Skirt from TJ Maxx. Urban Revival for the blazer. And it actually fits now, y'all. Look. So cute. In my little Gucci micro bag. Alright, you guys. And that is it. Those are all 5 outfits. Everything I pretty much found in my closet. I didn't purchase anything new for this video. So let me know in the comments below, how did I do, you guys? Did I do a good job? You guys think I could have done something different? I'm interested to see you guys what you guys think. Are you guys trying to find your personal style? I know that I'm getting ready to turn 39. So I just want to start elevating my style. I want to dress more modest. And I just want to really just have my wardrobe speak to who I am now. So I'm super excited about that journey. So let me know what you guys think. Did I do a good job? What could I have done different? If you're interested in anything that I showed you in the video, I have everything that I can link below if it's still available. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.